What are you doing here, Simba? Hey, what's going on, guys? So today is the day, so finally my car is ready for rebuild. So it's been almost 5 months now, sitting here in the garage. Let me show you. But now, yeah. So after a couple of months hard work, so tomorrow the guy gonna come to pick up the car away to his shop, and it's probably another 1 month or 2 months waiting. But yeah, so it's finally ready. And but now the wolf already out. February 2024. And I had some discussion with my friends and the mechanics, and also the guy gonna do the rebuild for my car. And so this time we definitely need to get a car much safer. So at least we're gonna add a couple of important sensors, because right now, as you can see, so let me put a bonnet again. Yeah, because during this few months, so I did a lot of research, and so to make the car more reliable, so you definitely need more sensors to protect. Because at the moment, so my car doesn't have the what do you call it, the wideband. So because I'm using Link ECU, so pretty much it's the Lambda module. So the wideband O2 sensor, so supposed to mount around here or somewhere. I think it's before the catalytic converter, and also probably the fuel pressure sensors, knock sensors. Oh yeah, I think I have the fuel pressure sensor here, so which is good, but I just need to make sure it's working properly. And so tomorrow he's gonna come to pick up the car. You're gonna see it in the following video shortly. And so basically he's gonna take the car and remove the engine and send the car back without the engine. So because he doesn't have too much space around the shop, and so he can send the car back, and I can keep working on the engine bay, maybe tidy up a couple of things, because there's somewhere maybe need some repaint, touch up, and I can possibly fix some holes, which is not necessary. I probably don't need those holes. See, I just do some filler or something to cover it up. And yeah, so probably in the next 2 months, so the car will be totally ready again on the road. And apart from the engine rebuild, I will possibly add a digital dash. So probably just mount around here, so I don't have to remove the OEM dashboard, just to keep the classic thing still there. But I'm probably gonna add another digital dash to display some data in the ECU, so for the better monitoring, so what's going on in the engine when I'm driving. And yeah, just basically for the safety features. So I have to make sure, because there's a lot of money gonna spend in this car, so I have to make sure the car will last at least another, who's gonna know, but at least normally another 100,000 kilometers, no problem. Also gonna do the cam belt replacement, drive belt, probably tidy up a couple of things. And you can see, so the air filter, I'm not sure if it's a good decision to keep using this one, or because I have another thought to use this customized air duct, because you know there's some kind of air filter which is covered, it's like a cold air intake, so I can use it and to guide another hose from the air duct, so the air will be much cooler than the current setup. You can see the air duct is somewhere around here, right? Yeah, just like a Canon Apollo. So if you search Apollo air filter, so that one is like it's covered by the plastic housing and with the open end, so you can add another hose so into that area, so it's gonna become a cold air intake. Yeah, because if I have to stay with the OEM bonnet, so I have to do some better cooling for the engine, and so because the temperature is really important to run this car safely. Yeah, what else I can do? So I probably just need to wait tomorrow and to talk to the guy. And also during the rebuild process, I'm gonna go there to have a look, because I'm really curious what's really wrong inside the engine, you know. So in the future, I can see maybe changing my driving habit, the service, you know, service the car more frequently with better parts and lubricants. Yeah, I think they're on the way to pick up. So now it's time to warm up the engine. Still starting as usual, no problem. A little bit delayed. Yeah, it's on the way. Yeah, car is on the truck now, on the way. So if you need any towing, call this company. So it's pretty good.